Zisilingeke eziqeda ichukela insebenzi zeNUMSA ezisebenza ekorweni yezemoyeni nembhesini. Insebenzi zilila ngokuthi solo zaqina ukuyithola ngoSewula ngomnyaka opheleleko imali evele esikhwameni esisiza insebenzi ezinemsebenzi ethikaziswe rhagala kwe-COVID-19.
The situation is bad at HFs. As we speak now, some of the workers they had to go back home because they are not able to pay their monthly rental fees, and then the situation is so dire in a sense that they cannot do anything without the money that is over UIF.
Basola imphathimandla zesikhwama semali sabangasebenziko i-UIF ngokubhalelwa ukuphatha ngefanelo imali zesikhwameso.
So they will claim that it's the employer's fault. The employer will turn back and blame the UIF. That is completely unacceptable. This is not a grant. This is not a loan. This is money that belongs to workers. They have contributed to this fund. It is owed to them.
Sekusetshenziswe imali engaphezulu kwamabhiliyoni ama-71 wamaranda ukusiza insebenzi ezinemsebenzi ethikaziswe kusahlela kwe-COVID-19. Kuzokuvulwa elinye ithuba lokufaka imbawo ezitsha kulandela imiguruguru ethome eGauteng naKwaZulu-Natal ngovela Bahlinze.
President, through our minister, announced that we had set aside 40 billion rands. But the reality that the COVID-19 became longer than any one of us expected made our ministry and this government, as a caring government, to extend and add furthermore from the 40 billion into the money that we have paid now.
Inkhulu zeNUMSA zifuna nemininingwane ezeleko ngamagadanga athathelwa inkhulu ze-UIF ezajangiselwa ukukhwabanisa imali zesikhwama sensebenzi se-COVID-19.